out these old boards after 20 years of service, getting stepped on by kids and rain and mud, and all kinds of nastiness. We made short work of it with a tool we borrowed from Wally. It was probably a 35-pound pry bar, and it was awesome. Once again, thank you, Wally. And of course, the last board is always going to be difficult. Wait, who turned out the lights? Oh yeah, we only have one extension cord, so we had to cut it with a jigsaw with a headlamp. Maybe conditions aren't ideal, but we get stuff done. And every single one of these boards was fully saturated with water. They weighed every bit of 50 pounds each, probably more. Thank you for watching and subscribing, liking, commenting, and donating to the call.